Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging equation from algebra, which we will be solving for real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be equal to 0. So our answer x cannot be negative 5 over 2, negative 7 over 2 and negative 6 over 2, which is minus 3. Now we will use substitution. Let us say this bracket x plus 6 over 2, which is 3, equal to a. So we can write x plus 5 over 2 will be equal to a minus half. And if we will find x plus 7 over 2 in terms of a, then we can write a plus half. So our equation will convert into variable a. I will write 1 over x plus 5 over 2 whole square, a minus half whole square plus 1 over a plus half whole square equal to 2 over a square. Now we have to simplify left hand side. We are going to take LCM over here. We will write a minus half whole square times a plus half whole square in the denominator, and in numerator a plus half whole square plus a minus half whole square equal to 2 over a square. Using exponent law in the denominator, we can write a minus half times a plus half whole square, and in numerator we will be using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square identities. We will get a plus half whole square, a square plus half square, that is 1 over 4, plus 2 times a times 1 over 2, which is plus a. A minus half whole square, a square plus 1 over 4 minus a. In denominator, will multiply a plus half with a minus half, and then we'll put whole part 2. Right hand side is 2 over a square. Now we'll cancel plus a with minus a. In numerator, we'll get 2 times a square plus 1 over 4, and in denominator we will use a plus b times a minus b identity, which is difference of two squares identity. We'll write a square minus 1 over 2 whole square, 1 over 4, and then we'll put whole part 2. In right hand side we have 2 over a square. Now we will divide both sides by 2 so that 2 will be cancelled out from both the sides. 2 over 2 will become 1. 2 over 2 will become 1. We will get equation a square plus 1 over 4 in the numerator. In denominator, a square minus 1 over 4 whole square equal to 1 over a square. Now we have to cross multiply. So we will get a square minus 1 over 4 whole square equal to a square times a square plus 1 over 4. Let me write here a square minus 1 over 4 whole square equal to a square times a square plus 1 over 4. Now we will use second substitution. Let us say this bracket only, a square minus 1 over 4. Suppose this is equal to m. So we'll write here a square will become m plus 1 over 4. So we can write our equation m square equal to a square, that is m plus 1 over 4, times a square m plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So 1/4 plus 1/4 will be half. We'll write m plus 1/4 times m plus half equal to m square. Now we have to simplify right hand side. We'll get m square. This is m times m. Then m times 1 over 2 is m over 2. 1 over 4 times m over 4. We will get 3m over 4. 1/4 times 1/2, 1/8. Now we can subtract m square from both the sides. So we'll write here minus m square, minus m square. So we'll cancel m square from LHS and RHS. We will get 3m over 4 plus 1 over 8 equal to 0. Now we will multiply both sides by 8. So I will write 3m over 4 plus 1 over 8 equal to 0. Let's multiply both sides by 8. So we will get 3m times 2, 6m plus 8 times 1/8, 1 equal to 0. Now we'll subtract 1 from both the sides. So we can cancel plus 1 and minus 1 from LHS. Equation will become 6m equal to -1. Now we have to divide both sides by 6. So 6 over 6 will become 1. We are going to get m equal to -1 over 6. And m was our substitution. So I will write in place of m a square minus 1 over 4 equal to -1 over 6. By adding 1/4 to both sides, we will get a square equal to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Here we can write a square equal to 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. Now here we can multiply by 3 in the numerator denominator, and for this fraction we will multiply by 2 in the numerator denominator. We will get common denominator 12. In between there is minus sign. Here we'll write 3, here we'll write 2. So in numerator 3 minus 2 we will write 1, denominator is 12. This is equal to a square. Now we will take a square root both sides, then a will become plus minus 1 over square root 12. Now I will rationalize denominator over here. So we have to multiply here with root 3. So in the numerator we will multiply with root 3. So a will become plus minus square root 3 over square root 36, which is 6. Now a was our substitution, x plus 3. So in place of a we will write x plus 3 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 6. Now we have to subtract 3 from both the sides so that we will get our real solutions. Plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled out. We will get x equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 3 over 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.